This is my progress with the sewing machine model. It was my birthday recently, and I've been really distracted with computer problems too, so I've made progress today. I put in, I don't know how many hours, maybe 4 or 5 hours. It looks pretty good. I added this moving part here. It's going to be the display for the different kind of stitches that are available. And of course there are the other moving parts like the handle here, as well as this thing, which I don't know the name by heart. I extended it because I realized that it was meant to be a little bit longer. Then there's the switch here, which you can also turn on and off. I'll be making a plug along with the paddle that you step on. And so it's almost complete. I mean, there's still a lot of work to do. I don't know if I'll be able to manage it so that when you press down on this lever that the foot would come up. I'll figure that out. See if it's possible. Anyway, altogether, I'm fairly happy with this model so far.